I'm Fleur and this is Loki. I have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house down here in Kingston. We're a very sustainable community. We run off tank water from the roof. We have septic tanks, and last year I put in rooftop solar, 17 panels, 10 to the north, 7 to the west, 6.5 kilowatt inverter and 2 5 kilowatt batteries. So I wanted to make my home smarter and more sustainable, mostly because my best friends did the same and I got jealous. So it's really important to me to have a more sustainable way of living. It very much fits with the community down here, and also a way to look after myself. We have a lot of power outages down here, so it was very important to do that and, let's be honest, save money. So I wanted to install a basis smart panel for a few reasons. Number one, I work there, but that means that I've been involved in the journey from very early on, and I've seen the development of the technology, how much it's helping people, how much it's making homes safer and smarter. So that was a very big deal to me. And also just the sheer fact that with solar, I'm really interested in my energy usage, and it gives me the best way to do that. My solar app gives me limited insights into my home's energy usage. The first day I got it, I noticed straight away that things were using energy overnight and I didn't know what. But the problem was the solar app only gives you overview of the whole house. It doesn't give you anything on a circuit level. So it was always just guessing about what was using which amount of power. So a couple of things I'm really excited about is one, having the insights into circuit level energy usage. My friends and I all use spreadsheets pretty much to track what's using power in our houses, and it's really guesswork as to what you can switch on at what level of solar generation to ensure you're still saving money or selling to the grid. The other thing is I'm just excited about better control over things like my hot water. I've had a manual timer on it before, and now with the Basis Home app, I can use routines. I can adjust it based on what's happening with the weather outside. What I love about the future of home energy or the Basis panel is that it really gives everybody access to this sort of level of data, this sort of level of control, this level of understanding of how they're using their energy in their home. And it's going to naturally make people start thinking a bit more about sustainability and how we can create a better electrified future for the whole planet. I think the two natural steps, although it sounds very biased, are to get solar and to get a Basis panel. And the combination of the two of them helps you make your home smarter and more energy efficient.